Hey everybody, my name is Justin Lyman with Performance Lexus RiverCenter, here today to show you the 2020 Lexus LS 500 Inspiration Series. Pretty exciting stuff. Let's get to it. All right, so the first thing that grabs your eye with the Inspiration Series is the color and wheel combo, which is unique to the Inspiration Series. Unfortunately, we do have an overcast wet day today, but hopefully you get enough of an idea of what the color is. It's kind of a plum, mauve, cranberry color, but when the sun hits it, it is very deep. Furthermore, with the Inspiration Series, you get the wheel and tires, of course. The wheel is a dark chrome almost, kind of gunmetal, but it's got more of a shine than a gunmetal. It's got a very unique look to it. The interior is a black and white combination that just absolutely pops when you open the door because it's complete contrast to the exterior color. All right, let's talk about the interior. So when you see it's a black and white combination when you open it up, it's unlike any other Lexus I've seen before. Very, very well done, well thought out. I'm currently sitting in the right rear of the vehicle, which is the passenger rear. In my opinion, is probably the best seat in the car. Outside of driving it, I mean, there's nowhere else I want to be. The reason for that is the center console and the experience I can have right here. I can control so much in the car from back here. What's really cool, maybe I'm ready to take a nap. Maybe I'm working on a computer and there's glare from the sun. I can, with the press of a button, put it the privacy shade. I can put on the privacy shade in the rear and also on the driver's side. Just like that, it's a lot darker in here. Another cool feature about this car is the glass up top. With the press of a button, I can open that up and I can see outside. Very cool. Furthermore, as long as you don't have children sitting back here, this is one of the coolest, craziest features about the car. I can move the seat in front of me to let me spread out a little bit more. It goes far up enough. I'm 5'10". I've got no issue with leg space as it was, but now I can truly just, I can't even comfortably stretch out. I have to slide down. It's unbelievable. Again, as long as it's not a child sitting back here messing with mom or whoever's sitting in the passenger seat, it's absolutely fantastic. So I've been doing this a long time in the business, and I never thought I'd be excited to talk about door panels, but here we are, and I'm legitimately excited. It's a different design for Lexus. You've got the floating handle here. You've got your master switch for all the windows and mirrors and everything. But you cannot get away from this door without talking about the glass feature. This is the Kiriko glass. It's simply outstanding, all handmade. If you ever get bored, get on YouTube and check it out. K-O-R-I-K-O glass. It's absolutely fascinating how they make it. Just a well thought out, clean looking door panel. Never thought I wanted to talk about door panels, but here we are. All right, so we're wrapping things up here. I wish I had better conditions to show you the car, but again, I'm just kind of showing you what's special about this vehicle, and it is a special vehicle. They're only bringing 240 of these to the United States. 32 of those are in the central area, so chances are you're not going to see one on the road. Hope you've enjoyed the video. Again, call us. My name's Justin Lyman, work down at Performance Lexus RiverCenter. More than happy to help you with any questions you have. Thank you.